Imagine peering into the farthest corners of the universe, seeing galaxies as they were billions of years ago, and uncovering cosmic secrets no human eye has ever witnessed. That's exactly what the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, allows us to do. Launched in December 2021, JWST is humanity's most advanced eye in space, designed to unravel mysteries about the origins of the universe, distant exoplanets, and even the very building blocks of life. Today, we'll explore its most breathtaking discoveries, explained simply, so you don't need a PhD in astrophysics to marvel at the universe like never before. Introduction to JWST. The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just another space observatory. It's a revolutionary piece of technology orbiting nearly 1 million miles from Earth in a region known as the Second Lagrange Point, or L2. From there, it avoids Earth's heat and light, giving it an incredibly clear view of the cosmos. Equipped with a mirror over 21 feet wide, almost 3 times larger than Hubble's, JWST can capture light that has traveled for billions of years. Essentially, it's a time machine, letting us glimpse the universe as it appeared shortly after the Big Bang. Its infrared sensors allow it to see through cosmic dust that hides newborn stars and distant galaxies. And that's where the magic begins. Discovery 1. Peering into the cosmic dawn. One of JWST's first mind-blowing discoveries is its ability to see the earliest galaxies ever formed. Astronomers call this the cosmic dawn. Before JWST, we could only see faint hints of galaxies forming when the universe was hundreds of millions of years old. But now, Webb has spotted galaxies that existed just 200 to 300 million years after the Big Bang. What's truly astonishing is the variety of these early galaxies. Some are surprisingly massive, suggesting that star formation happened faster and earlier than scientists imagined. It's like finding a fully grown tree in a field where we expected only saplings. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about the early universe and opens new questions about how galaxies form and evolve. Discovery 2. Hidden star nurseries. JWST doesn't just look at distant galaxies. It peers into the dusty cradles where stars are born. These stellar nurseries are often obscured by thick clouds of gas and dust, invisible to previous telescopes. Infrared light, however, can penetrate this cosmic fog, revealing the dramatic process of star formation. We can now witness baby stars surrounded by swirling disks of dust and gas, potentially the early stages of planets forming. Each image tells a story of creation, chaos, and cosmic beauty. Observing these nurseries helps scientists understand not only how stars form, but also the conditions that may lead to planetary systems like our own. Discovery 3. Exoplanet atmospheres like never before. Beyond distant galaxies, JWST is revolutionizing the study of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. Using its infrared sensors, the telescope can analyze the atmospheres of these distant worlds, detecting gases such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. For the first time, we can study exoplanet atmospheres in incredible detail. This gives us hints about their habitability and even the potential for life. Imagine knowing the weather on a planet dozens of light years away, or discovering chemical fingerprints that suggest life could exist elsewhere in the universe. JWST is turning science fiction into science fact. Discovery 4. Cosmic cliffs and stellar fireworks. JWST has also captured some of the universe's most visually stunning phenomena. Take the so-called cosmic cliffs, a star-forming region in the Carina Nebula. These cliffs are actually enormous walls of gas and dust, illuminated by newborn stars. Watching this region is like watching fireworks in slow motion. The telescope reveals jets, shockwaves, and swirling clouds, showing us the intense, often violent processes that give birth to stars. It's a reminder that the universe is not only vast but also full of energy and creativity on a scale we can barely imagine. This concludes Phase 1, which sets the stage, introduces JWST, and covers its first 4 major discoveries, keeping the tone engaging and understandable. If you're ready, I can continue with Phase 2, where we dive into more JWST discoveries, cosmic mysteries, and mind-bending insights, keeping it lively for your audience. Discovery 5. Galaxies in unexpected shapes. As JWST peers deeper into the universe, it reveals galaxies with shapes we didn't fully expect. Some appear oddly stretched or warped, likely due to gravitational interactions with neighboring galaxies. Others are surprisingly compact, almost like tightly packed star cities. This is a big deal because it challenges our traditional understanding of galaxy evolution. Scientists once believed that galaxies followed a slow, predictable path, forming spirals or ellipticals over billions of years. But JWST shows us that the early universe was far messier. Collisions, mergers, and rapid bursts of star formation were more common than we imagined. It's like looking at a cosmic traffic jam of galaxies, all jostling for space in the early universe. Discovery 6. The building blocks of life. One of the most exciting aspects of JWST is its ability to study the chemical composition of distant planets, stars, and nebulae. Its instruments can detect molecules like water, carbon monoxide, and even organic compounds, key ingredients for life as we know it. For example, by examining the clouds around young stars, JWST can trace how carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, critical for life, are distributed across space. These observations help answer the big question: how common is the material for life in the universe? Every spectrum, every chemical signature, tells a story about how planets and, potentially, life could form in distant systems. Discovery 7. Peering through cosmic dust. One of JWST's greatest advantages over previous telescopes is its infrared vision. Many of the universe's most important events are hidden behind thick clouds of gas and dust, stellar nurseries, black hole accretion disks, and even entire galaxies. By looking in infrared, JWST pierces this cosmic veil. For example, in regions like the Orion Nebula, it reveals stars forming that were completely invisible to Hubble. It's like having X-ray vision for the universe. Suddenly, the invisible becomes visible, and the universe opens up in ways we never imagined. Discovery 8. The early universe in high definition. JWST doesn't just detect ancient galaxies, it photographs them in unprecedented detail. Each image shows thousands of individual stars and clusters, giving astronomers an incredibly rich dataset to analyze. In one recent deep field observation, Webb captured more galaxies in a single image than we had ever seen in that patch of sky. Some of these galaxies existed when the universe was less than 5% of its current age. Seeing them in such clarity allows scientists to study their shapes, sizes, and star formation rates, helping us reconstruct the history of cosmic evolution. Discovery 9. Exoplanet weather and climate. Beyond simply identifying exoplanet atmospheres, JWST can detect weather patterns on distant worlds. By observing how a planet's atmosphere absorbs starlight as it passes in front of its star, astronomers can infer temperature changes, cloud formations, and even storms. Imagine knowing a giant storm is swirling on a planet dozens of light years away, or detecting a planet with clouds of molten rock raining down. JWST is bringing us closer to truly understanding these alien worlds, not just their size and composition, but their day-to-day weather and climate. Discovery 10. Gravitational lensing. Nature's cosmic magnifier. JWST also uses a phenomenon called gravitational lensing to study galaxies even further away. Massive objects like galaxy clusters bend light from objects behind them, magnifying and distorting their appearance. By observing these natural cosmic magnifying glasses, Webb can see galaxies that would otherwise be too faint or distant to detect. It's a clever trick of nature, combined with human engineering, that lets us study the earliest structures of the universe in unprecedented detail. Discovery 11. Stellar explosions and supernovae. Another area where JWST is making waves is in observing dying stars and supernovae, the explosive deaths of massive stars. By analyzing the infrared light emitted from these explosions, scientists can study the elements created during the blast, such as gold, silver, and uranium. These elements eventually become part of new stars, planets, and even life itself. In essence, JWST lets us trace the cosmic recycling process, how stars die, create elements, and seed the universe for the next generation of celestial objects. Discovery 12. Unraveling black holes. JWST can also study supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. While black holes themselves emit no light, the surrounding material, gas and dust spiraling inward, glows brightly in infrared. Observations from Webb reveal how these black holes grow, interact with their host galaxies, and affect star formation. Some early galaxies show black holes much larger than expected, forcing scientists to rethink theories about how these cosmic giants evolve. Discovery 13. Interstellar chemistry. JWST is even changing our understanding of interstellar chemistry. Molecules once thought too fragile to survive in space have been detected in distant regions. Organic compounds, which are the building blocks for life, appear to be widespread. This discovery is monumental because it suggests that the ingredients for life may be more common than previously believed. If these molecules exist throughout the cosmos, then the chances of life, at least in some form, elsewhere increase dramatically. Discovery 14. The universe's hidden structures. Finally, JWST is revealing hidden structures in galaxies and nebulae, filaments of gas connecting galaxies, dense molecular clouds, and stellar clusters previously unseen. These structures help scientists understand how galaxies form networks, how stars migrate within galaxies, and how cosmic matter is distributed on a grand scale. It's like seeing the scaffolding of the universe, the framework upon which galaxies are built. Each image gives a deeper sense of cosmic architecture, showing us that the universe is not chaotic but intricately organized, even in its apparent randomness. Beyond discoveries, the universe in perspective. The cosmic perspective. When we look at the night sky, the stars seem calm and unchanging. But JWST shows us a universe alive with motion, creation, and destruction. Galaxies collide, stars explode, and black holes silently devour matter, shaping the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand. Understanding this dynamic universe gives us a humbling perspective. Every element in your body, every atom of carbon, oxygen, and iron was forged in the heart of a star. JWST doesn't just reveal distant galaxies, it shows the cosmic story of us. It reminds us that humanity is part of something far greater than our planet, our solar system, even our galaxy. The majesty of cosmic time. JWST allows us to look back in time. Light from the earliest galaxies has traveled for more than 13 billion years to reach us. When we see those galaxies, we are literally witnessing events that occurred before Earth even existed. This ability to peer into the past is like reading the universe's diary. Each image is a page filled with the struggles, triumphs, and chaotic beauty of cosmic evolution. It's not just science, it's storytelling on a scale that stretches the imagination. The universe is alive. We often think of space as silent and empty, but JWST reveals that the universe is vibrant and active. Star nurseries burst with energy, black holes twist light in impossible ways, and galaxies dance in cosmic ballets of gravity. These events may take millions of years to unfold, but through Webb's eyes, we can witness them in motion. It's a reminder that the cosmos isn't static. It's a living, breathing entity constantly shaping itself and, in turn, shaping the conditions for planets, life, and civilizations like ours. The edge of human knowledge. JWST is more than a telescope. It's a symbol of human curiosity and ambition. For decades, astronomers wondered about the first stars, the formation of galaxies, and the possibility of life beyond Earth. Now, we can finally begin to answer those questions. Each observation pushes the boundaries of what we know. Each image challenges our assumptions. And each new insight inspires the next generation of scientists, dreamers, and explorers. The telescope is a bridge between our imagination and reality, connecting human creativity with the infinite universe. Looking ahead, the future of exploration. We've only just begun to scratch the surface. JWST will continue to scan the skies for years, uncovering new worlds, strange phenomena, and cosmic mysteries that we can't yet imagine. Future missions, inspired by Webb, will build on its discoveries. Perhaps one day, we'll directly image Earth-like planets orbiting distant stars, or uncover signs of life beyond our solar system. Webb is a reminder that science is a journey, not a destination, and the universe is a vast adventure waiting to be explored. The human connection. At the heart of all this is a profoundly human story. JWST is the culmination of decades of collaboration, engineering, and vision. Thousands of scientists, engineers, and dreamers worked together to make this telescope a reality. When we look at Webb's images, we see not just the universe, but also the triumph of human ingenuity. Every speck of light, every distant galaxy, is a testament to our desire to explore, understand, and find our place in the cosmos. Closing narration/reflection. The James Webb Space Telescope has given us a new lens on the universe, one that is clearer, deeper, and more beautiful than anything before. Through its eyes, we've glimpsed the origins of galaxies, the birthplaces of stars, the atmospheres of distant worlds, and the hidden structures that shape the cosmos. But beyond science, Webb invites us to wonder. It reminds us that we are part of a vast, dynamic universe, one filled with mysteries, beauty, and endless possibilities. And perhaps most importantly, it encourages us to keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep dreaming, because the universe is far bigger than we can imagine, and our journey to understand it has only just begun. The universe's mysteries and human curiosity. The unknown universe. Even with all its discoveries, the universe remains full of mysteries. JWST has shown us countless galaxies, yet these are just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. Dark matter and dark energy, which make up nearly 95% of the universe, remain elusive. We know they exist because of their effects on gravity and expansion, but their true nature is still hidden. JWST doesn't directly observe dark matter or energy, but by mapping galaxies and studying cosmic structures, it helps us understand how these invisible forces shape the universe. Every image Webb sends back is like a clue in a cosmic detective story, a puzzle we are slowly piecing together. The dance of galaxies. Galaxies are not static. They move, collide, and evolve over billions of years. JWST allows us to witness these cosmic dances in stunning detail. Spiral galaxies twist gracefully, while colliding galaxies burst with star formation. These interactions are not chaotic. They are the rhythm of cosmic evolution. Each collision, each merger, is a step in the universe's choreography, shaping the galaxies we see today. And within these galaxies, new stars and planets emerge, continuing the endless cycle of creation. Cosmic time capsules. Every photon captured by JWST is a message from the past. When we look at a galaxy 13 billion light-years away, we are seeing it as it was billions of years ago. In a sense, JWST is a cosmic time machine, letting us witness the universe's history firsthand. This ability transforms astronomy from observation into storytelling. We're not just collecting data. We're reading chapters in the universe's autobiography, from its fiery beginnings to the formation of stars, planets, and perhaps life itself. Our place in the cosmos. JWST's discoveries also inspire reflection on our own existence. In the vastness of space, Earth may seem small and fragile, yet it is teeming with life and possibilities. Observing distant worlds, newborn stars, and ancient galaxies reminds us that we are part of a continuum, connected to the universe not only physically, through stardust, but philosophically, through curiosity and wonder. Science and wonder go hand in hand. JWST reminds us that exploration is more than collecting knowledge. It's about expanding our imagination, challenging our assumptions, and connecting with something far greater than ourselves. The future of exploration. JWST is only the beginning. Future telescopes, some already in planning stages, will build on its discoveries. We may one day observe Earth-like planets directly, detect signs of alien life, or witness the first moments after the Big Bang with even greater clarity. Each step of exploration sparks new questions. Each answer leads to more mysteries. JWST has opened a door to the cosmos, and humanity is just beginning to step through. The journey ahead promises more wonder, more awe, and more opportunities to redefine what we know about the universe. Inspiration for humanity. Beyond science, JWST is a story of human ambition. Thousands of engineers, scientists, and dreamers collaborated across nations and decades to create this marvel. Each image, each spectrum, is the result of countless hours of dedication, curiosity, and innovation. JWST reminds us that when humanity works together, we can achieve the unimaginable. We can reach across millions of miles, capture the faintest light from the dawn of time, and glimpse the secrets of the cosmos. And in doing so, we inspire future generations to dream even bigger. The universe in motion and JWST's vision. The universe is alive. Through the lens of JWST, the universe is not a static backdrop, it's alive. Stars are born, live, and die in spectacular displays of energy. Nebulae glow with vibrant colors shaped by winds and radiation from massive stars. Galaxies collide in slow-motion dances that span millions of years. Each observation is a reminder that the universe is dynamic, ever-changing, and unimaginably vast. What may appear serene from Earth is actually a theater of continuous creation and transformation. JWST brings these events into focus, revealing the hidden drama of the cosmos. Cosmic sculptures and celestial art. Many JWST images resemble works of art, giant clouds of gas shaped like pillars, rings of light forming around dying stars, and filaments connecting clusters of galaxies across space. Take the cosmic cliffs in the Carina Nebula, for example. These towering structures of gas and dust resemble mountains in space, sculpted by the light and winds of newborn stars. It's a reminder that nature creates beauty on a scale we can barely comprehend, and JWST allows us to witness it with clarity and awe. The birth of planets and solar systems. JWST doesn't just look far away, it reveals the process of creation happening in our own galaxy. Around young stars, it observes swirling disks of gas and dust, the raw materials for planets. Some disks show gaps, hinting that planets are already forming. This is like catching a peek into the cosmic nursery where entire solar systems are born. Every swirl of dust, every glowing filament, tells a story of how worlds, including ones possibly like Earth, come into existence. A glimpse into the future. JWST is a telescope built for discovery, but what it shows us also fuels imagination. Will we one day detect life elsewhere? Will we explore worlds orbiting distant stars? Will humanity someday step beyond the solar system to reach these planets? While we can't answer these questions yet, JWST brings them into the realm of possibility. It stretches our vision and our imagination, reminding us that exploration is a journey that never truly ends. Humanity's cosmic connection. What makes JWST extraordinary isn't just its technology, it's what it enables in us. Curiosity, wonder, and connection. By revealing the vastness and complexity of the universe, it encourages us to reflect on our place in it. The atoms in our bodies were forged in stars. The elements we see around us came from cosmic explosions. JWST reminds us that we are intrinsically linked to the universe, not merely observers, but participants in its ongoing story. The ongoing adventure. The universe is full of questions we may never fully answer. But JWST is giving us a front-row seat to its unfolding drama. Each image, each spectrum, is a clue, a chapter in a story that has been billions of years in the making. Through Webb's vision, we are learning that the universe is more beautiful, more complex, and more surprising than we ever imagined. And the adventure has only just begun. The lasting impact and cosmic reflections. Changing the way we see the universe. JWST has forever changed our perspective on the cosmos. No longer is space an abstract, distant realm. It is a living, dynamic place, teeming with energy, movement, and beauty. Every image Webb sends back is a reminder that the universe is more vast, more intricate, and more mysterious than we ever imagined. Through its eyes, galaxies aren't just points of light. They're histories, stories of birth, life, and transformation. Nebulae aren't just clouds, they're cosmic nurseries and graveyards, sculpting the raw material for future stars and planets. JWST has turned the universe from a static picture into a cinematic experience, a story that unfolds across billions of years. The philosophical dimension. Looking at JWST's images can feel almost spiritual. We see the universe in ways that evoke awe, humility, and curiosity all at once. It forces us to ask questions. How did it all begin? What is our place in this vast expanse? Are we alone in the cosmos? These are not questions with easy answers. But JWST gives us a new way to engage with them, not through speculation alone, but through observation and evidence. It allows us to participate in the grand adventure of understanding, connecting human curiosity with the mysteries of the cosmos, inspiring the next generation. JWST is more than a scientific instrument. It's a beacon of inspiration. It shows what humans can achieve when imagination, ambition, and collaboration converge. Thousands of engineers, scientists, and visionaries worked across continents to bring Webb to life, solving problems that once seemed impossible. For young scientists, dreamers, and explorers, JWST is proof that curiosity can lead to monumental achievements. It encourages future generations to look up at the stars, to wonder, to question, and to create. It shows that the pursuit of knowledge is not just an individual endeavor, it's a shared journey that can span decades and unite humanity. A universe of endless questions. Even as Webb reveals breathtaking sights and extraordinary phenomena, it reminds us that the universe is far from fully understood. Every answer uncovers new mysteries. Dark matter and dark energy still elude us. Life beyond Earth remains undetected. The first moments after the Big Bang are still only partially glimpsed. JWST is a tool, a guide, and a storyteller. It doesn't provide all the answers, but it shows us where to look, what to question, and how to dream bigger. It keeps the adventure alive, and it reminds us that science is not about certainty. It's about discovery. The beauty of exploration. Perhaps the most important gift JWST offers is perspective. In the face of a universe billions of light years across, our daily concerns feel smaller, yet more meaningful. We are children of the cosmos, capable of reaching, observing, and understanding in ways our ancestors could never imagine. Webb's images capture not only distant galaxies or hidden stellar nurseries, but also the essence of human curiosity, the desire to know, to explore, and to marvel at the infinite. Every photon it collects is a bridge between us and the universe, a reminder that exploration is as much about the human spirit as it is about science. The grand finale, reflection and inspiration. Closing reflection on JWST. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to scan the cosmos, we are reminded that the universe is far bigger, stranger, and more beautiful than we can imagine. Each image, each spectrum, is a glimpse into the infinite, a record of creation, destruction, and transformation spanning billions of years. JWST has opened a window to the unseen, revealing galaxies forming in the earliest moments of the universe, the birthplaces of stars, and the chemical building blocks of life. It shows us that the universe is not static, it's alive, dynamic, and full of stories waiting to be discovered. Humanity's journey of exploration. But beyond the science, JWST is a testament to what humans can achieve when curiosity and determination come together. Thousands of brilliant minds, from engineers to astronomers, worked across decades to bring this telescope to life. Every discovery is not just a scientific breakthrough, it's a triumph of imagination, collaboration, and ambition. It reminds us that exploration is part of our very nature, that our desire to understand the universe is as important as the discoveries themselves. The cosmic perspective. JWST teaches us perspective. Looking at galaxies billions of light years away, or witnessing stars forming in dense nebulae, we are reminded that Earth is small, yet profoundly connected to the cosmos. The atoms in our bodies were forged in stars, the universe is literally in us, and we are in it. This realization is humbling, but also empowering. It encourages us to care for our planet, to nurture life, and to continue asking questions about the world around us and the worlds beyond. Inspiration for the future. The James Webb Space Telescope is just the beginning. Its discoveries will guide future missions, inspire generations of scientists, and continue to challenge our understanding of the cosmos. Perhaps one day, humanity will explore the very planets Webb observes, or uncover signs of life on distant worlds. Webb reminds us that the journey of discovery never ends. Every answer leads to new questions, and every image sparks wonder, curiosity, and awe. So, as we gaze at the stars tonight, let's remember that we are part of an extraordinary universe. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we can see farther, clearer, and more vividly than ever before. The cosmos is a story billions of years in the making, and we are fortunate enough to witness its chapters unfold. Keep looking up, keep dreaming, and let the universe inspire you to explore, imagine, and wonder, because the adventure has only just begun. The universe is waiting, and through JWST, we have taken the first steps into a deeper understanding of everything around us and perhaps everything within us.